Before the trip, I packed everything: toothbrush, socks, passport. But when I got to the hotel, I realized I forgot the plug adapter. Have you ever wondered why sockets are different around the world? Surprise! There are 15 different plug socket types. Because each country chose sockets based on their time and needs. As safety improved, a third pin was added for grounding. The US and Japan added a round pin. The UK chose big fat 3-pin plugs. Luckily, there's the universal adapter. Don't forget to pack it.